Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update ChromeOS on your Dell Chromebook 3400. To update your ChromeOS, make sure that you are connected to the internet. To do that, go to the control center and check your Wi-Fi connection. After that, we can open settings in the same menu by clicking the gear icon. Then we're gonna have to go to About ChromeOS section on the sidebar and click check for updates in here. And if your device finds the ChromeOS update, it will proceed to download it. Once the update is downloaded, you'll be able to install it, and then to apply the changes, you're gonna have to restart your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.